Radhika. I am studying in 9th class. My school name is Vidyavardhaka High School, Saidapur. My teammates are Pallavi, Rakshita and Pragna. Our project name is Food Monitoring System. Food Monitoring System project is designed to monitor the quality and freshness of stored food by detect gas emitted during spoilage. This system leverages a MQ4 methane gas detect gas levels that can indicate spoilage and ESP8266 transmit data and ThingSpeak reading remotely. The project is demonstrated as a simple, cost-effective solution to ensure food safety, especially useful in storage facility, supermarkets or homes. The project aims to develop a wireless food monitoring system that can detect and display gas levels that indicate food spoilage by continuously monitoring these levels and displaying data on the ThingSpeak IoT platform. Users can monitor food freshness from anywhere, ensuring timely action.
Here we have used MQ4 methane gas sensor, ESP8266, ThingSpeak platform, breadboard, jumper wires.
The food monitoring system is a practical and effective way to monitor food freshness in storage facilities. By using an IoT-based solution, it offers convenience, accuracy, and accessibility for users. This project demonstrates how IoT and sensor technology can enhance food safety, reduce waste, and ensure quality control in food storage systems. Thank you.